Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In fact, welcome to the summary of my trading for tonight, being the 16th of March, being a Monday. Now, we actually had a pretty disappointing session to start. Now, the reason being is that despite all of this stunning volatility and everything else that was going on in the market, we had a really strong buy bias tonight, which meant that I would have been absolutely stoked to get a very strong buy signal. As it turns out, we actually didn't pick anything up for a little while. We had at the open of the session here, the actual market bopped down quite heavily. I didn't actually get anything to take advantage of that fall, and then I ended up here with again a huge push up in the market around about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just on 5 points, and again, beautiful run up, 5 points at 5% per point, potentially 25% return. But I didn't actually pick anything up, so we just had to sit and be patient and watch what was literally watch what was going on. Now, we got up towards the top of the session here. In fact, the mid-session bar. And you'll note with interest that shortly after the mid-session bar, we did actually get a textbook big picture sell. So this is what started to refresh our interest in what was going on. And again, you'll note with interest that it did wander down quite nicely. I'm going to actually pull on the second screenshot for tonight to actually talk about what I mean here by a double fatigue of the M1. We've noted on quite a few trades actually that if the M1 indicator, which is a momentum indicator, hence the M, if it does drop down to very low, close to 0 percentages, we note with interest that quite often the market will run out of steam. That's exactly what happened here, and for all of this week and last week, certainly for the last couple of days, if we ended up with this double fatigue, we've actually started taking our profit if we're within 1 point of our profit target. Because to me, if the market's not going to offer you full profit, why don't you take a little proportion of it? Now, if we flick to the actual afternoon, or the last of the sessions, you'll note here that here is the big picture sell. Again, double fatiguing on the DS as we ran down. Now, because we were against the bias, we had a 3 point target. We were hitting our head on 2.5 points here. Mad not to take it. It's a 12.5% return. So that's exactly what we did. Then we wandered towards the end of the session, and we actually got a beautiful continuation buy signal here. Absolutely textbook continuation. Normally we would run those for 2 points, but as you've already seen on previous videos, what we're doing is actually running through towards the end of the session. As soon as both of our momentum indicators are pointing down with a red candle, we'll actually get out of the buy signal. As it turns out, we got 2.5 points out of that one. So pretty quiet session tonight, only 5 points in total were up for grabs using the trading plan that we are using. What does that mean? 5 points at 5% per point is a 25% return. So not exactly shabby, but again not our biggest night, certainly by a long way. For those one contract traders out there, if you were trading $1,000, $1,000 contract, then tonight was worth $250. For the two contractors, double it. Well done. You earned $500 for the session. That's enough from me, ladies and gents. Like normal, we bring out the website. If you'd like to find out firsthand how we do what we do, simply come onto the website, click on the online webinar link, and jump in and listen to us live. On the flip side, there's a huge amount of resource on the website here about latest performance results. Take a trading room tour, why we trade our indexes as opposed to anything else, what the clients say, all this kind of stuff, latest news. So jump in there, ladies and gents, have a look around, and if you'd like to come to the webinar, please do. I'll update you on Tuesday night once we've traded it. So have a great day. Bye for now.